Good afternoon to all. My name is H. Asima Kausar. My roll number is 2340180 and my branch is Triple A section. My topic is HP. My subject name is Designing Thinking. My subject code is 23MEC407. My topic is HP. Introducing to HP. HP or Hewlett Packard is a multinational information technology company founded in 1939. The company is known for its wide range of hardware, compounds, software, and services. HP has become a leader in printing and personal computer marketing. Next one, history of HP. HP was founded by Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard in a garage in Palo Alto, California. The company internally started by producing auto oscillators and quickly expand its products line. HP went public in 1957 and has since grown into one of the largest technology companies in in the world. Next one, product range. HP offers a variety of products including laptops, desktops, printers, and essentials. The company is revenued for its innovative printing solution uh, such as a laser printer. HP also manufactures enterprises solutions like services, storage devices, and networking products. Next one, innovation and R&D. HP innovates heavily in research and development to derive innovation in technology. The company focuses on developing sustainable solutions and improving user experience. HP is known for advancement in 3D printer and digital printing technologies. Next one, marketing position. HP is one of the largest PC manufacturers in the world, competing with brands like Dell and Lenovo. The company has a significant share in the global printer marketing known as reliability and performance. HP communicated to sustainability has helped strengthen its brand's images in the tech industries. Next one, HP commitment to sustainability. HP is dedicated to reducing its environmental impact through a sustainable practices. The company has integrates focused on recycling, reducing waste, and using renewable energy. HP aims to make all of its products recyclable and is committed to responsible sourcing of material. Next one, corporate social responsibility. HP engages in various corporate social responsibility CSR initiatives to support communities. The company promotes education and digital liberty through programming and partnerships. HP also empathizes diversity and inclusion within its workforce and supply chain. Next one, financial performance. HP has HP has reported strong financial performance with steady revenue growth. The company has a diverse revenue model, spinning consumers, commercial, and enterprise marketing. HP accumulated has also contributed to its financial success and marketing expansion. Next one, future outlook. HP is focusing on expanding its portfolio in the areas of 3D printing and digital manufacturing. The company aims to artificial intelligence and mechanical learning to enhance its products. HP is committed to maintaining its leadership position in the evolving tech landscape. Reference in HP, the reference is in 2023. It is an annual report at 2022. Hewlett Packard Company at 2023. Company history. And next one, market research future. It is in 2023 at global printer market analysis. Feel free to modify any content as needed. Conclusion: HP is a technology company with a rich history and a committed to innovate. The company continues to adapt to changing marketing demands while sustainability. With its diverse product range and focus on research and development, HP is well positioned for future growth. Thank you.